second floor. We need to put railing here, of course. And you come here, architecture, railings. If you click railing, railings will appear here. I have minimalist railing here, railing, railing, railing. I will go with what? Railing here. I think it's a glass railing. Let me see. Political type, the structure, the cluster. Yes, it is. It is elliptical. So don't worry, we'll use this one. And then from here, you click. Let's go here. You click here. So let's click OK. And so let's go back. Wow, you can see we have already here, but I don't like the way it is here, but it's not a problem. Let's leave it like that. So we have our rail here, and then I think we can be able to do something, and then we'll put it like the base offset. We can put it as what? Let's say 10. Let me see. I don't want it to be placed right on the ground. So let's put the base offset to be, let's say, 15. It doesn't make sense now. Anyways, let's leave it as what? 0. No problem. It's okay. So we have it like this. So what else again do you think we can do? Based on the plan, if you check here properly, you can see that the first floor here, we have what we call a pillar. So we need to do something. We need to insert a column. At this moment, we'll just go for architectural column, and then we'll click any one. Mm, okay, let's edit this one and make it 400 by 400. Column material, let's put it as concrete cast in place. Concrete cast in place is this one. hmm And then I think I like the color. See graphics. Let's render view. Okay. So let's put the column here, okay? And then let's put it here. Okay. Mhm. I want to see whether it's aligning. Let me see. No. Yes, it aligns. Not this one. This one is not aligning. And so we need to duplicate. Let's say this is 400 by 400 column. I click on OK. 400 by 400 column. I'm coming. And then we will go back. The depth of this one should be 400. And the width of this one should be 400. And then we'll apply OK. So you can see we have it like this. And then up to now it's not aligning. And then I'll click here, move, move. I'll click the edge of this and bring it here. So this is where this is how to do it. And so let's go back and see our 3D. And you can see we have something like this. But now, one thing that you realize is that it's not going, we don't have anything here. In this situation, our structural engineer will have to do what? A part foundation for this type of building. And so let's take it one from foundation. So you can see we have something like this. But it would have been more easier to just bring the foundation to that level. We can do that, but I'm thinking about how to minimize resources because here, all right, guys, let's just extend it. We can easily do part foundation for this actually. Like we can just do part foundation. I think it's better we just do the part foundation. So let's just do part foundation. Click here, come here, we click architectural. Let's leave it as foundation, and then we click on this, and then we click on this one, put foundation. And so we'll come here, and so let's leave it as the 1000 by 1000. Let's leave it. But now we'll do like this. I'll click here once, put it as 1000. And then let's create this one and put it also as what? 1000. It's okay, I think so. Yes, it's okay. And then click on move. I'll click on move and then we'll click from center. I'm going to the center. Oh, it's not center. You know what? Let's bring it out first. And so let's click. Okay, let's just let me draw something that will help me. I'm coming. Let me draw something that will help me. take the middle line. Yes. And so I'll click this, this. And so I'll click this and then complete the middle line and then place it in the middle and then don't worry. So click on unjoin and then click on delete. So we have it there. And then you click on OK. If you go back to our 3D, you can see that what we have it like this, which is what very, very good. And so uh yes, this is it. But now if you go back to ground floor, on the ground floor, we have what? A slab before entering the DPC. That is from the ground level. At the DPC, we'll have a floor here. Yes. But I think at the DPC, we can decide to do something that uh, there will be floor on the ground level of this one, then steps that will take us to DPC to our house. And so we will do something like this. Um, yes, we have something like this. We'll draw a floor at the ground level of this before the DPC level. Then before we draw, we make a stair that will take us from DPC from the ground level, from the ground floor to the DPC. Okay, so let's go back and then the ground floor, and then here we will design our floor. To design our floor, we'll come back here, we'll come not roofing, sorry, floor, architectural, and then we'll use the normal slab. And the normal slab, we will what? Click on this one from the wall itself, from the wall itself, like this, yes, like this, and it's going to be on the ground floor. And then we click on OK. So let's go back to 3D. You can see we have it. Our foundation is below and this one. But now our DPC is at another level. So we will later come and make a stairs like um, at the entrance of the building. Or let's say if this one is a garage, because in the based on the plan, it looks like it can be a garage. And it can also be, I think this one should easily be the entrance, okay? So we can make like a staircase here that will lead us to the DPC in which our first floor of the starts, okay? So we have something like this. Everything is what? Perfect. Yes, perfect. Mhm. What else do we need? You see, this pillar is supporting this, which is very good. What are these things doing here?